Hi, baby. Hi, Rose. Rose! Don't jump down. Rose, don't jump down. No one knew you would. Hey. Come here. My camera's all blurry. Come here. Come here, Rose. Come here. Rose. Rose. Come here. Come here. Come and say hi. Say hi. Yeah, you pretty girl. You pretty? Come here. Come here. Come here. Okay, let's put you down. And she's off. I'm going to have to take her because I know you're going to follow me, aren't you? You're little Mrs. Inquisitive, aren't you? Yes, you are. Rose, come here. Come here. You got kisses. I haven't seen you all day. You've been gone. Oh, why did you do that?
I don't play with it.
No, she won't play with that. It's 10 times bigger than she is.
Looking at big rocks outside.
I know, she's a monkey. Say nothing phases you, huh? Where are you going? Rose, come here. Can you play with me? Rose, come here.
Come here. Rose.
Christopher.
Hey, look.
Oh, she loves Talia. Oh, she didn't follow her.
Stop, please. Stop, please.
Come here.
Rose.
Come over here.
What?
Look right there. Mommy, I can't eat anything.
Natalia.
Can you not give me any?
Natalia, come here. She's taking the videos.
Rose. Rose, come here. Rose. What are you doing into there? Rose. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, Rose, come here. Oh, did you find the skipping rope? Did you find the skipping rope? Rose? Rose?
Can you not give me anything hard? I can't eat anything hard.
Okay. Come on then. Come in. Rose.
Oh. Right when I pulled it out, I kept wiggling and I felt the root of my tooth.
Oh, it's too dark. Did you find a big bone up there?
Where did Natalia get all this money? You know? That. What is yours?
Rose. Did you find a bone that's bigger than you are? Oh, it's too dark. I can't even see your face. Come here.
So, then,
It's all blurry. Come here.